Guys, nandito na kami sa cave. Pero grabe ang pinagdaanan ko, guys. Kung hindi ako tinulungan ng lalaki, hindi ako nakataas. Whew. Okay, let's go inside. Let's go inside the cave. This is really cool. Inside the cave. Tapos andun yung freeway. This is the inside the cave, guys. Marami siyang mga bintana. Aww. Look at that there. Sorry. I'm coughing. Tapos itong nilalakaran namin. It's a sand. Ang ganda naman ng pagkagawa dito, ah. Ang asawa ko. Oh. Ito yung sa labas, guys. Wow. It's beautiful. I'm just gonna go take a go all the way on the other side. Oh, that's the end. Okay. Okay, done. Bye, guys.